Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by golden fields, there lived a boy named Niko. He wasn't the tallest, the fastest, or the strongest, but he had a mind sharp as a blade and a heart filled with perseverance. Niko loved to tinker with things, and whenever something broke in the village, the people would often call on him to try and fix it. However, Niko's life wasn't easy. His family was poor, and the work on their small farm was exhausting. Year after year, their crops didn't produce enough to support them, and no matter how hard his parents worked, the situation never improved. Niko couldn't bear to see his family struggling, so he decided he had to come up with a way to change their fortunes. One day, a powerful storm swept through the village, destroying the windmill that provided energy to the village. Without the windmill, they couldn't grind their grain to make bread, and the villagers were on the verge of despair. The village elder declared that whoever could repair the windmill would be rewarded handsomely, but fixing it was no simple task. The windmill was old, its gears were rusted, and its blades shattered. The villagers gathered to discuss possible solutions, but none of the ideas seemed to work. Niko stood at the edge of the crowd, listening to everyone, and his mind raced with possibilities. After days of thinking, sketching plans, and studying how the windmill worked, Niko realized he had an idea, a brilliant idea. That night, Niko stayed up late by candlelight, crafting small models of his design. His plan wasn't just to repair the windmill but to improve it, to build a new type of windmill that could work faster and better than before. But he knew it wouldn't be easy. No one believed a poor farm boy could accomplish such a thing. The next morning, Niko approached the village elder. With trembling hands, he laid out his blueprints. The elder studied them for a long while before raising his eyebrows.
This is an ambitious plan, Niko. Do you really believe it can work?
I do, sir. I've tested it on a smaller scale, and I'm sure it will work. But I need help gathering the materials.
The elder was skeptical, but there was something in Niko's eyes that spoke of determination. With a sigh, he gave Niko permission to try. For the next few weeks, Niko worked tirelessly. He scavenged for old parts, recycled metal, and even carved new gears by hand. The villagers occasionally passed by and shook their heads, whispering to each other that it was a fool's errand. But Niko didn't listen. Every evening, despite his aching muscles and blistered hands, he worked late into the night, tweaking his design, adjusting the blades, and solving one problem after another. One evening, as he was nearing completion, a heavy rain began to fall. The roof of his workshop leaked, and many of the parts he had carefully crafted were damaged. Niko sat on the floor, soaked, exhausted, and heartbroken. He wanted to give up. It felt as if all his hard work had been for nothing. But as he sat there, thinking of his family, he remembered why he had started. He wasn't just building a windmill, he was fighting for a better life.
Remember, Niko, success and victory always come with trials. Take your time, gather your energy, and never give up.
He wiped his tears, stood up, and decided he would not give up. If anything, the setback made him more determined. With renewed energy, Niko reworked the broken parts, making them even stronger than before. Finally, after weeks of effort, Niko's new windmill stood tall and ready. On the day of the test, the villagers gathered around, some curious, others still doubtful. The wind picked up, and the windmill's blades began to turn. Slowly at first, then faster and faster. It worked, better than anyone could have imagined. The villagers cheered, and the elder approached Niko with a look of pride.
You've done something remarkable, Niko, not just for yourself, but for the whole village. This windmill will change everything.
From that day forward, Niko became known not just as a farm boy but as a brilliant inventor. He had saved his village through hard work, perseverance, and intelligence. Niko's story teaches us that no matter how difficult life becomes, with patience, hard work, and belief in our ideas, we can overcome any obstacle. It reminds us that setbacks are not the end of our journey but a chance to rise stronger and smarter.